The 2026 BRABUS Big Boy Motorhome Stinger is the ultimate expression of luxury and power in the world of recreational vehicles. Built on a foundation of high-performance engineering and premium craftsmanship, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. With an aggressive exterior design, cutting-edge technology, and an interior that rivals five-star hotels, the Stinger is designed for those who demand the very best. BRABUS has taken the concept of a motorhome to a whole new level, incorporating elements from their high-performance vehicles to create something truly unique. Every inch of this motorhome is built with precision, ensuring that it not only looks stunning but also performs exceptionally well on the road. Under the hood, the BRABUS Big Boy Motorhome Stinger is powered by a monstrous engine that delivers an unparalleled driving experience. The twin-turbocharged V12 engine produces an astonishing amount of horsepower, allowing this massive vehicle to move with surprising agility. Despite its size, the advanced suspension system and aerodynamic design ensure a smooth and controlled ride. BRABUS has equipped the Stinger with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional traction and stability in all conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway or exploring rugged terrains, this motorhome is designed to handle it all with ease. The exterior design of the Stinger is bold and futuristic, featuring aggressive lines, a massive front grille, and LED lighting that gives it a menacing look. The signature BRABUS touches, including carbon fiber accents and custom badging, make it instantly recognizable. The motorhome sits on large custom alloy wheels designed to provide both durability and style. The aerodynamic bodywork is not just for looks, it enhances fuel efficiency and performance, ensuring that this massive vehicle cuts through the air with minimal resistance. The retractable awnings, integrated solar panels, and FiTech surveillance system add to the overall convenience and security of the Stinger. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that exudes luxury from every angle. The Stinger's cabin is a perfect blend of high-end materials, state-of-the-art technology, and unparalleled comfort. The use of premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim creates an atmosphere of sophistication. The lighting system is fully customizable, allowing occupants to set the mood according to their preferences. The panoramic windows offer breathtaking views, bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside while maintaining complete privacy with smart tinting technology. The seating arrangement is nothing short of extraordinary, featuring plush, fully adjustable recliners with built-in massage functions. The captain's chairs in the driver's cabin are equipped with advanced heating and cooling systems, ensuring maximum comfort during long journeys. The smart dashboard is equipped with a massive touchscreen display, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics at the touch of a button. Voice control and AI-assisted driving features make operating the Stinger a seamless experience. The entertainment system inside the Stinger is at a whole new level. A massive 8K OLED display dominates the living area, offering cinema-quality visuals. The surround sound system, tuned by BRABUS engineers, delivers an immersive audio experience that rivals professional home theaters. The motorhome is equipped with high-speed satellite internet, ensuring that occupants stay connected no matter where they travel. The integrated gaming and virtual reality setup allow passengers to enjoy an unparalleled level of entertainment on the go. One of the standout features of the Stinger is its fully equipped kitchen designed to rival high-end gourmet setups. The kitchen includes a state-of-the-art induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a smart refrigerator that can suggest recipes based on available ingredients. The countertops are made from premium quartz, adding to the luxurious feel. The automated storage system ensures that everything stays in place even when the motorhome is in motion, making cooking on the road an effortless experience. The bedroom area is designed for ultimate relaxation, featuring a king-size memory foam bed with adjustable firmness settings. The smart climate control system ensures the perfect sleeping environment, automatically adjusting temperature and humidity levels. The walls are lined with noise-canceling materials, providing a peaceful and undisturbed rest. The built-in entertainment unit allows for late-night movies or relaxing music at the touch of a button. The ambient lighting and high-end bedding complete the luxurious sleeping experience. The bathroom in the Stinger is nothing short of a spa on wheels. It features a rainfall shower with adjustable water pressure and temperature settings, ensuring a refreshing experience. The vanity area includes a smart mirror with touchscreen controls, allowing users to check the weather, news, or even stream content while getting ready. The toilet system is eco-friendly, utilizing advanced filtration technology to minimize waste and conserve water. The high-end fixtures and premium finishes make this bathroom feel like a private luxury suite. Storage is another area where the Stinger excels. The motorhome is equipped with an automated storage system that maximizes space efficiency. Hidden compartments, electronically controlled drawers, and modular shelving ensure that everything has its place. The underfloor storage is spacious enough to accommodate larger items such as bicycles, outdoor gear, and even a compact electric scooter for short-distance travel. The attention to detail in storage solutions sets this motorhome apart from conventional luxury RV. Safety is a top priority in the Stinger, with BRABUS incorporating the latest advancements in vehicle security and driver assistance technology. The adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance system work seamlessly to provide a stress-free driving experience. The motorhome is also equipped with a 360-degree surveillance system featuring AI-powered facial recognition and motion detection. The armored body construction ensures maximum protection against external threats, making it one of the safest luxury motorhomes on the market. BRABUS has designed the Stinger with sustainability in mind, incorporating advanced eco-friendly technologies without compromising performance. The integrated solar panel system powers various onboard systems, reducing reliance on external power sources. The hybrid engine technology improves fuel efficiency while lowering emissions, making this a responsible choice for environmentally conscious travelers. The water filtration and recycling system ensures minimal waste, allowing occupants to travel longer without the need for frequent refills. The driving experience of the Stinger is nothing short of exhilarating. Despite its size, the motorhome handles like a luxury SUV thanks to its precision-tuned suspension and advanced aerodynamics. The intelligent steering system adapts to different driving conditions, providing a responsive and controlled feel on the road. The air suspension system automatically adjusts ride height, ensuring maximum comfort and stability at all times. The powerful braking system provides exceptional stopping power, further enhancing safety. For those who love outdoor adventures, the Stinger comes equipped with a retractable deck, providing a perfect space for relaxation and socializing. The deck includes built-in seating, a minibar, and even a fire pit for a true outdoor experience. The automated canopy provides shade, allowing users to enjoy the outdoors comfortably. The integration of smart outdoor lighting ensures that the deck remains usable even at night, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. BRABUS offers extensive customization options for the Stinger, allowing buyers to personalize their motorhome according to their preferences. From custom paint finishes to bespoke interior configurations, every aspect can be tailored to meet individual tastes. The option to integrate additional high-tech features, such as biometric access and holographic displays, further enhances the exclusivity of this motorhome. Each unit is hand-built to perfection, ensuring the highest level of craftsmanship. The BRABUS Big Boy Motorhome Stinger is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's a statement of power, innovation, and exclusivity. Designed for those who refuse to compromise on comfort and performance, this motorhome sets a new benchmark in the industry. Whether you're a business executive looking for a mobile office or an adventurer seeking the ultimate travel experience, the Stinger delivers on all fronts. With a limited production run, owning a Stinger is a privilege reserved for a select few. The meticulous attention to detail, unparalleled performance, and cutting-edge technology make it a masterpiece in the world of luxury motorhomes. BRABUS has once again proven why they are leaders in high-performance automotive engineering. The Stinger is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, offering the freedom to explore the world without sacrificing the comforts of home.